Hi everybody, today we're going to learn about soil. Soil is not just dirt, it's a mixture of sand, silt, clay, and organic matter. And using a simple jar test, we can figure out the health of our soil. To do the soil test, you need a clear jar with some soil in the bottom. Then you're going to fill up the jar with water. And if you want, you can add a few drops of soap. Now put the lid back on the jar. Make sure it's nice and tight. And you're going to shake for 2 minutes. After shaking vigorously for 2 minutes, let the jar settle for a couple hours or overnight to have the layers start to form. Now compare your jar to the good soil jar provided by California Farmland Trust. What's the same? What's different? Would your soil be good for growing plants? Why or why not? Remember, healthy soil gives plants nutrients, helps hold water, and prevents erosion. Want to take it further? Try planting a seed in your soil or research ways to improve your soil. Remember, healthy soil is the foundation of our food system. It all starts with the ground. To learn more fun soil activities, visit learnaboutag.org or cafarmtrust.org/dirt.